Experiencing a black screen on your Polestar's infotainment system? Don't panic. This section addresses why it happens and how to resolve it. Common causes include software glitches, incomplete boot processes, or power interruptions. First, try a soft reset. Hold the infotainment screen's power button or steering wheel controls for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This is a safe, non-invasive method. If that fails, and only after consulting Polestar support to avoid warranty issues, a hard reset involving disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 5 to 10 minutes might be necessary. Polestar's diagnostic reset tool, available through their app or dealership, is another option. The most frequent cause is a hung operating system, which is why these solutions work. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the black screen issue, try the hard reset as described in the previous section. This involves disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt auxiliary battery for 5 to 10 minutes, but always consult Polestar support first to avoid voiding your warranty. To keep your infotainment system running smoothly, ensure your Polestar receives regular over-the-air updates. These updates, which have become more frequent with 4 to 6 releases per year, contain crucial bug fixes and performance improvements that prevent black screens and enhance overall reliability. Updates are incremental, typically 100 to 500 megabytes, and delivered through cellular or Wi-Fi connections. You can schedule these updates automatically through the Polestar app to minimize any downtime. Enable the auto download feature to receive notifications and install updates seamlessly in the background. According to recent statistics, 85% of Polestar owners who enable automatic updates experience 40% fewer incidents requiring forced restarts. Before installing any update, always back up your personal settings, preferences, and playlists. While rare, rollbacks can occur if an update fails mid-installation, potentially causing data loss. Additionally, if you're experiencing issues after rapid charging sessions or in extreme climates like freezing temperatures or high heat, it may be due to thermal overload. Make sure to keep your vehicle within optimal temperature ranges to prevent these problems. If these issues persist despite updates and proper temperature management, seek assistance from Polestar support or visit a dealership for their diagnostic reset tool. This specialized service can identify and resolve persistent software issues without requiring hardware intervention, maintaining your vehicle's warranty.